Hi guys, welcome back. This is Aditya here. So this video is series 4 abs workout. In the previous video series 1, series 2, series 3 I have completed. So this is series 4. So as I promised in all the videos that as the series goes on we are going to make the abs workout really intense. So what's special about series 4 is like we'll be having more dynamic movements. Like dynamic movements means at one shot we are going to target the whole core. That is the series 4. In the series 1 and series 2, series 3 we have noticed that each workout we have concentrated like lower one variation, then upper one variation. So that was actually we wanted to get used to the abs workout. Now in the series 4 we'll make it more intense and we are going to work out on the whole core in one variations. Like we are going to do 5 variations. One is V crunch, second one variation of V crunch, third one is push through, fourth one is the Russian twist, fifth one is the oblique crunches, and the last in all my videos we include plank and the side plank. So people who are beginners, do watch my all the series workout and the abs workout in my channel, so that you will be able to avoid the neck pain and the lower back pain which you have, and you will get the breathing pattern, and you will be able to do this series if you follow that. And intermediate and advanced people you can do directly this video. So today my fitness partner Sanidhi is here. So first, as all in my all videos I concentrate on more on warm up and cool down. So first we'll start with a warm up. Okay, lie down on your abdomen. Okay, hands besides your lower chest 3 times, cobra. Inhale up, exhale down. Inhale up. So every time why we concentrate on the lower back is because exhale down whenever we do abs, put a lot of stress on the neck and the lower back, those two regions. Inhale up, turn your neck on the right. It's always important to warm up. Inhale center, exhale left, then from there back to child pose we go to. Just 10 seconds here. Now lie down on your back. Now hands shoulder level, both hands, palm facing the ceiling. Lift both the legs into tabletop. As you exhale, drop both the knees towards your right and turn your neck on the left. Inhale center, exhale left, turn neck right. Inhale center, both legs straight. Now bend your right leg, hug it, exhale chin to the knee. Inhale head back, change leg, exhale chin to the knee. Inhale head back, now bend, hug both the knees. Exhale chin in between your knees. Inhale head back. Now rock and roll 3 times, step your feet and go back. Start 1, 2, 3, back. Okay, so we finished warm up. So don't skip warm up, it's always important while doing abs. Okay, now lie down on your back. It's always important to warm up first. Okay, now first variation is the V crunch. Exhale up, inhale back is the breathing pattern, and both hands back. Okay, we'll be doing each variations 15 counts. Okay, so start 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay, now we finished V crunch. Now back to the variation of V crunch where we are bending your knee towards the chest and coming up. We did a leg straight. Now bending your knees towards your chest and hands goes besides here. Okay, come on, start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay, so these are more like when you work out, whole core is going to work out, your lower, your upper, your middle, all. Now back to push through. Now bend your knees. Okay, you can interlock your fingers this way wherever you are comfortable, or you can put your hands back. Okay, now when you come up, exhale. When you go back, inhale. So hand goes in between your legs when you come up. Start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, last one, 15, back. Okay, so we finished 3 variations now. Now the next one will be the Russian twist. For the obliques, okay, we did upper, middle and lower. Now we'll concentrate on the obliques now. Legs up, you interlock your fingers or make a fist both together, anything you are comfortable, elbow close together and twist. So both sides as 1 I am counting, so 15 will do. Lift your legs up, count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 and back. Okay, now the last one, you drop your left elbow, then your left hip will be in a straight line. Okay, now both legs front, hand up. Okay, bend your knees towards your chest. When you bend your knees towards your chest, it's exhale, and when you straight, it's inhale. Okay, start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, last one, 15, back. Okay, now the other side. Now, you put your elbow this side. Yeah. Okay, now right elbow and a right hip in a straight line. Bring both the legs front straight. Both side 15 we are doing. Okay, now hand up. Start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, exhale and back. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, last one, 15, back. So these were the 5 variations what we did. Now last one, that's more important. Whether you are doing a beginner workout, intermediate, advanced, always the plank and the side plank are the important workout for your whole core. Now coming to elbow plank. Hands parallel or interlock, whatever you are comfortable. Now we'll start. Hold here for 1 minute. Start. Okay, back. Now the last one, elbow plank, side plank. Now first drop your left elbow down, side plank. Each side will do 30 seconds on the each side. Okay, chalo. Now start. Up, hold here for 30 seconds. Okay, change other side. Right elbow now. Okay, up. Okay, back. Now back to, so we have to do 3 sets of all this, 15 of all this. So if you're, again, I have, as I told you, like if you're beginner and having lower back issues or neck, you can start with 10 counts each. For intermediate and advanced, you can do 15 of all this. Okay, now lie down on your abdomen. Now cool down, just relax the lower back, whatever the stress you have put on while doing abs. Inhale up, exhale down. Inhale up, exhale down. Last one. Inhale up, hold and turn your neck on the right, look at your right feet. Inhale center, exhale left, and back to child pose for 10 seconds. Never skip these guys. Now warm up and the cool down. It's the most important part of workout routine. Now lie down on your back. Both legs straight. Hand shoulder width. legs into tabletop. As you exhale, drop both the knees towards your right, turn your neck on the left. Inhale center, exhale left, turn your neck on the right. Inhale center, both legs straight. Bend your right leg, hug it. Exhale, chin to the knee. Inhale, head back, change leg. Exhale, chin to the knee. Inhale, head back, bend, hug both the knees. Exhale, chin in between your knees. Inhale, head back. Now rock and roll 3 times. 1, 2, 3, and you're done. Back. Okay, now you are completed. We have completed the series 4. So all series 1, series 2, series 3, series 4, I have covered it all. So these are the best abs workout videos what I have put across. So make sure you don't depend on this, as I've told in all my videos. So make sure you maintain a healthy diet. Always 80% diet and 20% is the exercise. So there is a lot of myth, like I've seen a lot of videos like 7 days abs, 21 days abs. So don't go by this. It's impossible if you're doing only the abs workout, because the upper layer is the fat which covers your abdominal muscles. So first you have to burn the upper fat, then only it will be visible. Otherwise you do 1000 crunches, 500 crunches, it's never going to be effective. So hope you like all my videos, series 1, series 2, series 3, series 4. Hope you watched all the videos, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.